In Google Analytics 4, there is a user purchase journey report. Even if you are tracking purchases with GA4, there is still a very high chance that this report will be mostly empty. In this video, I will explain why this happens and how to fix it. Since the left sidebar of Google Analytics 4 is customizable, the location of the user purchase journey report might differ. In some properties, it might be available in monetization and then user purchase journey. In other properties, it might be under Drive Online Sales. And in other properties, this report might be located even elsewhere. So just browse the sidebar, expand all the collections, and then see where you can find that report. So for example, here I have a property where I am tracking add to cart events and purchase events. But when I go to user purchase journey report, I see zeros. This report is configured as a closed funnel, and it works only if the property tracks the following 4 events: view item, add to cart, begin checkout, and purchase. If your setup does not have any of those events, then this funnel will not work properly. For example, in my case, I have only add to cart and purchase, therefore the view item event is not here. And since this is a closed funnel, this report looks at the data, sees that all visitors skipped the view item step, therefore it showed a 100% abandonment rate and all other columns are empty. So you have 2 options here. The first one would be to implement full Google Analytics 4 e-commerce setup that includes view item, add to cart, begin checkout, and purchase events. Or another option, which is useful if you want to track just some of these events, is to create a new funnel report and then add it to the sidebar. So to do that, you should go to Explore, then Blank, then add a plus and select Funnel Exploration. Then click the pencil on Steps and then add the steps of the funnel that you want to track. As I've said before, in my case, I'm tracking add to cart and purchase e-commerce events. That's why I will do the following: session start, and the event name is session_start. This one is automatically tracked in all GA4 properties. Then add step, add to cart, and the event name must be exactly add_to_cart. And then the final step is purchase. So in these fields, you can enter whatever you want, but here, here, and here, you must enter the exact event names that you are tracking in your property. So the event name will be purchase, and that's it. So this is the funnel configuration. I will click apply. This is a test property, so I tracked add to cart events just for very few sessions. Therefore, the abandonment rate is 99.5%. But if I zoom in, I should see at least some increase. And we can see something right here, but at least we don't have zeros as in the previous example. So then when I have configured the funnel, I can click this icon, which is save as a report in a library. If you don't see this icon, it means that you don't have enough permissions in your GA4 property. So I will click this and then I will enter, let's say, e-commerce funnel, then click save. Now I will go to reports, then library, and then I will find the collection that is published. So for example, here is the lifecycle collection and it is published right here. So I will edit that collection. And then I will, first of all, remove the default user purchase journey because that one is not working for me. And then I will add the e-commerce funnel report instead, and I will click save. Then I will go back, and then in the monetization, I will see the e-commerce funnel report. In my case, the breakdown dimension is by country. If you want to use a different breakdown dimension, for example, you want to see the steps based on the device category, like desktop, mobile, tablet, then you won't be able to edit it. Therefore, you will need to create a new report and then publish it to the library again. At least I haven't found a way right now to edit this funnel report. So what I will do is that first I will go to library and I will delete that report. So I will go to e-commerce funnel, click 3 dots, then delete, and then delete right here. Then I will go to Explore. I will revisit my previous exploration. And here in the variables column, first I need to add a dimension that I want to use as a breakdown. So that will be device category. I will click plus, then device, and then enter device category and click import. And then I will drag this dimension to the breakdown section right here. And now I see the device category. So let's click save as a report in the library. And then I will name this e-commerce funnel again and click save. Now let's repeat. So let's go to reports, library, then edit the lifecycle collection. And then I will drag the e-commerce funnel to the monetization. And if you have other topics, then you can drag this wherever you find it suitable. So let's click save, save changes to the current collection, then click back. And now in the monetization, I will see my funnel and the breakdown dimension will be device category. And that is how you can fix the user journey funnel, because that report works only if you send to Google Analytics view item, add to cart, begin checkout, and purchase events. And that's how you can fix the user purchase journey report in Google Analytics 4. If you found this video useful, hit the thumbs up button below the video. That will help me understand what videos you like and what should I create in the future. Also, if you want to learn more about Google Tag Manager or GA4, then consider subscribing to this channel. My name is Julius, this is Analytics Mania, and I'll see you in the next video.